Hi guys, today we learn how to load data from AWS to Snowflake data warehouse. So let's start. We have file का देखो data underscore data CSV. I will load this file into on my own AWS account, then AWS account, from that AWS account to copy this data to my Snowflake. So let's start. First of all, I will create a replace database. I will use keyword use create or replace word keyword use if already created that object that will be replaced. Okay, I will use create replace database, use this database, now I will create a target table for load that data from AWS to Snowflake data warehouse. Because AWS is this AWS account is my external account. Okay, you can see AWS account. I have an AWS account. Okay, so let's in AWS account we will use two services from there. We will use S3 bucket and IAM role from. First of all, I will create a IAM user. When we click on AWS account, we will use AWS service from that. On click here, we will create new role here, but I am created already a AWS role semi-structured data, and I will AWS S3 full access. Okay, then after assign this policy, I will create that role. After creating this, will create a ARN number. Okay, okay, and after that I will create a bucket which I have created bucket name bucket for semi-structured data. And open this, I have created 3 folders from here. I have created CSV folder, then I have upload from this button of CSV file which I have seen CSV file. Okay, from here I will, when I select this, now I will create an integration object that will be integrate Snowflake and AWS, and I'm creating integrator subject integration object. Integration object require 2 parameters, which is store AWS ARN and a storage a allowed location. First of all, this credential or this we can get from here. We ARN copy here, copy and paste here from this, and the location we can select from here. Click on specific file and copy S3 URI, paste here from this position. You can say that it's a bucket name, it's a folder name. Okay, after create, I have created this integrations object that will be integrate between AWS 3 and Snowflake. Now I will describe integration object. This is some other other setting I will perform here. When you click ARN, click here, copy this. Now I will configure our ARN role. I will go to trust relationship, added policy, that ARN, which we will copy here, paste in this double quote. Okay, and here external ID, copy here. From external ID you can see I am select external ID, copy here. Then I will go to my role, after that I will go to add. I will select STS external ID, default. I will go to string equal, then paste that we have copied from there. Add condition, because I have already mentioned after that copy we will update policy. Okay, then we have configured our role, AWS role, bucket and integration object. Now I will create a file format, create a stage, we will create a stage. After click copy data from result, copied our data load status loaded, row path 301. Okay, now I will show our data in our canvas. This is all CSV data which we have seen over CSV file. Thank you for watching.